Hello, friends. It's Miss Kristen again with my faithful sidekick, as always. And she's going to be attempting to eat the pipe cleaners because guess what? It's craft time. And we are going to make some fun crafts today for Father's Day. That's right. Father's Day is coming up, and we want to make sure we're ready to show our dads how much we appreciate them and care for them. So I've got 3 pretty simple Father's Day crafts that we're going to get to do today. And all of them require relatively minimal supplies, things you probably have around the house. And hopefully you can make them personal and make them fun and special and meaningful for your fathers. So the first craft that we're going to make today is a tie. Now, yes, is this cliche? Is this a typical Dad's Day thing? Maybe so, but there are a lot of ways that you can do your tie, and there are a lot of things you can take on it. So you can use plain construction paper. You can get extra creative if you have some around, and you can use some cloth or some fabric, or you can use some foam pieces or even some felt to make your tie. So it's up to you how you want to do this, and if you want to make it something that maybe you can turn into a card, you're probably going to go with some regular old construction paper. So let's say that we are doing that, and you're going to start by drawing the tie on your card. Now we're going to make a very simple, basic one. So we're going to turn this into a card. In fact, kind of like the old Valentine's heart style. That's the theme we're going for here. So you're going to fold your paper in half, and then you're going to draw the tie and kind of draw half of the tie, which is pretty simple because basically we're just going to go down the side of the paper, and it will be an easy cutting job where we're going to cut it on the side that has, so that when the fold is cut, it's opening up into a card. That totally makes sense, right? Anyways, so you're going to want to draw your outline of your tie. And, you think of a typical tie. It sort of has this knot. We're not going to do the crazy Windsor. It's got a knot at the top, and then it goes down, and then it kind of is going to angle inward. It's going to be a very large tie, this tie. So right now it sort of looks like a Christmas stocking, but we're going to take your handy dandy scissors. We're going to cut that out so that when it opens up, it's in the shape of a tie. Now, you can have all kinds of fun with this once you've got it cut, because you can just open it right up and have it be your very large tie, or you can keep it closed and then you can write something on one side of it. So you could write, oops. You could write, "You've tied my heart up," or "You're the best dad," #1 dad, however you want to do it. You could put a verse on there for your dad. And then on the inside, you can write another special note. You can draw a picture. You can add some fun glitter or some sparkles. And this way it kind of looks like a knife, actually. But it sort of looks like a tie either way. It looks like a tie when it's closed. It looks like a tie when it's opened up as well. And then you can add some more writing in there and sign your name. And then to polish it off, we're going to take our handy dandy pipe cleaner here. And you can string this around the outside, or, of course, if you want to hang it up and have it be something fun, or have it be, hey, even something you could use as a clip-on tie, we're going to poke our pipe cleaner through there. And we'll have our fun little card that can also be a tie, that can also be a fun little hanging decoration. So there we've got craft #1, simple card. The next one is going to be a little bit more involved. We're going to make Dad a little toolbox, and these tools are going to share with Dad things that we appreciate about him. There's actually a couple takes on this that you could do. You could make it things that you appreciate about Dad, or it could be things that, it could be little coupons. You can turn these tools into special coupons for things like, a day with reading or a golf trip with me, or this coupon entitles you to breakfast or something that you could do for your dad. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by drawing some tools on your paper. You're going to need some construction paper once again, and you can make these whatever kinds of tool shapes you want. So maybe you're going to do a hammer on one. Maybe you're going to do a little screwdriver on one. Maybe you're going to do, maybe you've got an old ruler lying around and you can turn that into a tool and make it something fun like, hey, Dad, you really rule. See what I did there? So use a little screwdriver. So you're going to do a few different, you can do a saw, you're going to do a few different little tool-shaped items. And then you are going to cut out your tool-shaped items, and you're going to write on them. Once again, if you want to make this a little coupon deal, you can do little coupons. If your kids are old enough, maybe this is good for mowing the lawn, or this is good for taking the trash out, or, whatever. Or you could also do things that are really special about your dad, like he reads stories super awesome, or he gives the best bedtime tuck-ins, or he's super duper strong and he can fix anything, or however you want to celebrate Dad. You're going to write those things onto your tools. And then, and again, you can also take an actual stick or a ruler or something and make that super extra fun. And then you're going to take, you can use a regular envelope, or if you want to get really creative, you could use like an old shoebox or an old basket that you have lying around. That's going to turn into your toolbox. So, you can write something clever on the front, like maybe Dad is super handy, or my dad really knows how to work hard, or, something that would be applicable to a toolbox. And maybe you can make another play on words like his tools are, and then you have the fun special things about Dad that are inside it. So you write that on your envelope or on your shoebox or whatever, and then you're going to tuck your little tools in there and present Dad with his fun special tool box or envelope or basket or whatever you choose to use. And again, if you would like to do this on foam or on felt or something, you could do that as well to make it like extra sturdy. Or even cardstock, that would make it sturdy as well. So that's just a fun way that we can honor Dad and remind him of how much we love and care about him. Final craft number 3. This one's pretty simple. So we're going to make, sounds strange, but we're going to make a rock garden. Now, you can get as elaborate or as simple with this as you would like to. You're going to need some rocks. You can pick up some like decorative rocks at craft stores or even the dollar store, or if you happen to have rocks in your outside garden or neighborhood or whatever, you can just pick up some regular rocks there as well. And you're going to decorate them. You're going to make them as simple or as exciting as you want. You're kind of giving him a little, you can give him a collection, you can give him just one. So a couple of ways you can do this. You can use puffy paint, or you can use Sharpie markers, and you can just write cute, clever little things on there, like maybe you want to say, you can write Dad rocks, because, rocks and it's a rock, or Dad is tough as a rock, or whatever you want to put on there. Or you can decorate this like it's a little person, and you can glue some fun little googly eyes on there, and you could even give it some little antennas and make it like an alien and make it like your little rock pet, and do that as well as the ones with the writing. Or you could make a whole family of rocks. There are really endless possibilities here, but rocks are strong and tough, like we think of men being strong and tough, like we think of dads being strong and tough. So that's our Father's Day agenda there. And then what you can also do once you've got your little fun rock person is you can just give these to Dad, or you can maybe arrange them on a fun little piece of paper. Maybe if he likes golfing or hiking or something, you could make it a whole little scene and you could draw around it and have that be something special for him. No, the rocks are not for you. Or you could put them in like a little box or a little basket and present him to that way. Maybe that's part of your toolbox as well. And you just throw that in there with the tools and the other things. No, the pipe cleaner is not a toy. So you have your fun little rock mania going on there, or you have your tie craft, or you have your toolbox full of fun dadisms there. And again, make it your own, make it more elaborate, make it less elaborate. Do something super special, do something personal, put a picture of yourself on one of these things. There are many ways. This is kind of just a jump start, baseline, suggestion, brainstorm for you to make Father's Day fun and special with your dad, and you can take it wherever you want it to go. But make sure that at the end of the day, it winds up in Dad's hands, as well as some fun snuggles and maybe a cookie or a brownie or something. But have fun, enjoy making it, give it to your uncles or your friends or your neighbors as well. Go grill out, have a great and have a very happy Father's Day, celebrating your dad and celebrating, most importantly, our Heavenly Father as well. So take care, make disciples, and make some crafts. Have a great week. See you next time.